In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can easily fix a black screen here on your Samsung TV. Okay, for the first of all, we can check if is the red light here on the bottom on, or is there a red light. So this is really important, because if there's not a light or something, then it can be the case that a power cable is broken or something. So what we can do is that we fully unplug the TV and then wait like 2 minutes and plug it in again. So also clean like the port and the cable, and yeah, sometimes it then works again. So here should be a red light which is turned on. So this is really important. So if you have turned on the TV and then you have a black light, then you maybe can try to change like the input. So you have here like the source button. You can click on the source button and here you have to select the right input. So if you have like HDMI, then go on HDMI. And then it is also really important that you turn on your HDMI device, because sometimes you forget this and then you have also like a black screen or something. This is also really important. What we also can try to do is to fully unplug everything we have connected with the TV, because sometimes some devices can block the screen or something. So what we can do, to unplug every single USB device or like every single HDMI device, and then check if the the screen is working again, because most of the times it helps when we disconnect some different things, because sometimes the picture is going to the HDMI device or something and not here on the TV screen. So, and this is what we can check. What we also can try to do is to turn on the TV without a remote. So you can simply go under the Samsung logo and then you can press on the button, and then you can try to restart or start the TV manual without the remote. And sometimes this also helps, and then you maybe have to buy a new remote or something like that. And this is all you have to do. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.